Holy cow.
What was that?
I don't know.
Check engine.
Oh man.
Good morning, comrades. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Nürburgring, where the skies are a bit grey, but even if it starts raining, no problem. We have a Rio Quattro, or kinda-ish. Kinda Quattro. How you doing, Bryn?
Yeah, how are you?
Good, good. Thanks for stopping by and randomly asking me if I would want to drive this, or OG TT. And you're here actually with quite a lot of them, right?
Yeah, there's about 16 of us here, all on a
Nice.
trip over from the UK. There's even an American guy that flew over.
Really?
Borrowed one of my cars to drive over and do the Nürburgring.
Wow,
So,
that's cool. This is like kind of a goodbye trip, because Audi discontinued the TT, and it's really.
It's a shame, isn't it? They've done that.
It is.
We're all just Mark 1 enthusiasts. There's a few Mark 2s that snuck in with us as well.
Nice. Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Well, you let them come with you as well.
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
So it has a big spoiler, which is good, because for people who don't know the history of the TT, when it first came out, a lot of people were crashing and dying on the Autobahn because of all the high speed. It had no stability on the rear. So then all the cars got recalled and they put a tiny bit of ducktail on it. And that kind of helped the situation, good. And now we have a bit more than a ducktail, proper.
Well, it did have a massive wing on.
Yeah.
I was just very aware that regulations and things like that, so I had to put a smaller one on for this trip.
To make sure, yeah.
Make sure I didn't get pulled over. And,
Good.
fine.
Good. For the rest, we have a fancy steering wheel. You're also the first person to set up an actual GoPro mounting system with the screws and everything, so that's pretty cool. Then it's a manual. Does it have? It has 6 speeds, according to the gear knob. Yeah, perfect. Seats, buckets, half gauge, so kind of club sport spec. I like it. What suspension are we on?
So we're on gas GHAs with as stiffer springs as they would allow for those dampers.
Okay.
So,
All right. Brakes, most
so-
importantly.
yeah, these are Brembo RS calipers.
Yeah.
They're on an Alfa Brera disc that's been re-drilled, 330mm discs with.
So basically from Megane RS, the calipers.
the calipers, yeah, and then EBC RPX pads.
Nice, nice. And fluid, I guess, also changed.
Rental 660.
6660, okay, RBF, cool.
And then the rear brakes are a 300mm disc instead of a 256.
Nice.
Space adjustment
Yeah,
line.
with the cooling, right? I guess it's
Yeah,
the
they're
floating,
vented,
ventilated. Yeah. I remember back from my days when I was building a Mark IV Golf, that was the thing to go for. I spent like €1,000 on discs because it was like the original parts. Like, what if you did that? And we have Bugatti Veyron style wheels. Or did the Bugatti Veyron copy it from an Audi TT? Sorry, Mate. Well, you weren't in the company back then, so it doesn't matter. Yeah, I guess that's kind of it.
Yeah,
So
front
it's
sport 5s.
nice.
Just a mild remap on there. Free flowing exhaust.
Cool.
Just something I threw together for the trip.
Yeah, speaking of remap, the power is like
270-ish.
Alright,
yeah.
that should be enough. On all the wheels, right? Or
If
the Haldex is working.
the front slips, the rear's kick in.
Okay,
That's the
yeah,
only time the rear
that's the
kicks in.
OG Haldex.
Yeah.
And I love the paint job on the,
Oh, yeah.
the bonnet. It's amazing.
But
It's
I
amazing.
figured why tart it up when I may end up
On the track.
You know.
Yeah. Cool. Well, let's hop in, do a lap, and have some fun. Any traction control or any kind of drama?
I can turn it off.
Yes, please.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think it turns it fully off, but it's mainly off.
It's something.
Yeah.
Red line 6-ish.
Yeah, 6 and a bit, yeah.
Okay.
And I'm going to just put this on and we can monitor the heat. Not that it should be an issue.
It's good, I like it so far.
Yeah?
Especially because thanks to all-wheel drive, it has independent rear axle.
Yeah.
So in comparison with a similar platform of Mark IV Golf, this is actually like very stable in the corners.
Holy cow.
What was that?
I don't know.
Check engine.
Oh man.
We lost the turbo maybe. I don't know.
Oh man.
actually. I'm sad because it was a very nice
But if
ride.
it's coil packs, I've got some with me.
Okay.
Not in the car.
Yeah.
But
You can try.
yeah. I've still got the biggest grin on my face just from this. Like,
Yeah.
with no power now. It's exit only now.
Yeah.
Mate, we might need coil packs, emergency coil packs. Have you got tools to be able to do coil packs right now? Can we sort it?
Part 2, because we managed to fix, well, you managed to fix the coil packs, so let's see if it's gonna survive more than 1/4 of a lap.
I hope so. From me to drive here.
We should have dropped the tire pressure.
Oh, okay.
Because we got them hot the previous lap.
Yeah. already done it twice.
You can complain with the fan there.
Yeah. Yes! That's amazing.
Loved it. I'm happy we made it.
Yeah.
It was a bit of power loss towards the second half of the lap, like I said, because it was getting probably hot, so it goes to reduce power mode.
Yeah.
But it was still good fun. Good fun.
Glad you enjoyed it.
Yeah, definitely, definitely.
Yeah, I mean, I will be adding things like water meth injection, things like that to help with the temps.
Yeah.
Because these are really hot. But so this was just about getting it usable for now. I've enjoyed the trip.
Good.
And just thank you for taking me out because
yeah, you're welcome.
Yeah,
good fun.
You've blown my mind. I know what my car can do.
Yeah, it was, like I said, it was silly of us that we didn't drop the pressures after the warm-up lap.
Yeah.
Because that's when it was like, fuck, it started to understeer like crazy. And the gearing is also like, especially in Brunchen, it's like you either redline it in third all the time or you're too low in fourth.
Yeah.
So it's like, meh. But yeah, good.
Good. I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Definitely, it was good fun.